Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make ice cream with watermelon. Please don't forget to like and share this video. So to make watermelon ice cream, all you need is just watermelon and a cup of milk. First, start by washing your watermelon. Then go ahead and use your kitchen knife to slice your melon, then peel off the back. This watermelon ice cream can actually help you to manage your weight, especially this hot summer. If you are craving for ice cream like me, you can just make this simple homemade watermelon ice cream. No added sugar or preservative. All you need is just low fat milk and your watermelon, then your ice cream is ready. So once you are done slicing and peeling off the back of your watermelon, then go ahead and start removing the seed. You don't need to stress yourself much removing the seeds. You can just remove the ones that you are able to remove. Then once you start mashing your watermelon, then the rest of the seed will start floating. You can remove them. So guys, this is my watermelon after I'm done removing the seeds from it. So I'm going to go ahead to transfer it to a small mixing bowl before I can start mashing it. So for making my watermelon ice cream, I'm going to be using a masher to mash my watermelon. So you can also use a food processor, a blender or a juicer to blend your watermelon. So I'm using this method to teach people that doesn't have a food processor or a blender on how they can make the watermelon ice cream without using a blender or a food processor. So after you are done processing your watermelon and turning it into a liquid form, go ahead and add in your low fat milk. After adding in your milk, use a whisk or a spatula or a fork to stir it to combine the milk and the watermelon together. After you've properly mixed your watermelon ice cream, go ahead and transfer it into your ice cream container like I'm doing in this video. you're done transferring the ice cream into an ice cream container, then cover the ice cream with a kitchen foil paper. So next, go ahead and insert the ice cream stick. Once you are done inserting the ice cream stick, transfer your ice cream into your refrigerator and let it freeze for 5 hours or overnight. For mine, I'm going to be leaving it there till the following day. So guys, the next day or 5 hours, according to how much time you are leaving your ice cream to freeze, take it out from your freezer, then remove the foil paper which you are using to wrap the top. And while doing this, make sure that your hot water is ready. So after you are done unwrapping it, dip your ice cream container into a bowl of hot water, then leave it there for like 30 seconds or less than that, then take it out. So next, start pulling out the ice cream from the ice cream container, and after you are done, go ahead and serve and enjoy your ice cream. And please guys, don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. And if you like this recipe, share this video and also like. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do subscribe, and you can also support my channel by sending me super sticker or super thanks.